Hello, student. Welcome to another class. Ngasi ko na nandun to puksina domain and the range. Part 1 matang part na ang susama kini. Sele ako gi matang sum na inara sum ako na hira kanda. Matang sum na si. So it's based on G and the NDA question and the G the based oraga siyang question ni and sum na si kamay toraga kita ko have anyway. So let's start with the topic domain and the range. Domain. See, domain I have said kaida define to bano. Function the define to bani. Right. So now, is it see function do nang fx na loro. Domain hierarchy ken. Domain hierarchy kem nate. Function to define to na bon about the low riba koi gi x की possible value. X na value kaya allow tara ka di function define to the kaya bito. Adu ki x की value do that is called as domain. Or in another way, ako na domain have si kama igani hai kanda domain I set hoy duni dana ko. Kama igani minimum value dagina maximum value hoy gane kanagi of x ki right bracket aduna right aduna I bata the x to kya hoy the minimum value lai gani right somdana kari maximum value like so sigi minimum and maximum value put up this is called as the what finding the domain now amuk yang si so example am hai example in the solution suppose when fx equal to 1 by x I consider right fx equal to 1 by x I consider domain kai hoy now akoy adagi one more akoy na function na define to matum akoy na khana do specifically piram da tara kadi by default by default type ni ko by default akoy na naturally have gumani akoy na kiam hairam da tara kadi set of real numbers tagi set of real numbers pu chatle na akoy na logune right sima khangas kiam palam da tara suppose so akoy fx equal to 1 by x I consider function ji define to gai tara kadi x की value क्या होगी x से x can be what x से any real number होगी any real number होगी except except 0 so 0 natana any real number होगी अदुना अकोना domain दो कई है नहीं अदुना अकोना domain दो सीधा real number minus 0 okay कई 0 होगी because we know 1 by 0 है बस अकोना कई है undefined है दना अदुना अकोना कई होगी आते बा मकाद 0 ले भी आते so सिगी function सिगी होई ना for this function magi domain se कोई ना कई ने ना लॉर्नी magi domain se here we will take domain as what set of real number minus of 0 on lorne so that's it now range amuktam se what is range height dana okay range height na कोई ना log do say nothing but minimum value of fx look maximum value of fx की minimum value का fx की maximum value का कोई ना find out तब बने and that is called as range suppose example लो कोई हम तो लो सी sin x है okay I बदी कोई ना हुसी पुतो तो जे के fx equal to sin x अतो इतना दी sin x की minimum value as well as maximum value पुतो है बनी as we know sin x है function सी क्या दगी क्या बुक चली minus 1 दे हो रहा 1 बुक चले right by definition sin x I will say कोई ना क्या दिन क्या बुक चलेगा minus 1 दे हो रहा 1 बुक अदुना ये मुसी असें मुसी के what is this this is your fx अदुना fx तो ना क्या दिन क्या बुक चली minus 1 दे हो रहा 1 बुक चले अदुना सी की range है मतलब दा क्या minus 1 दे हो रहा 1 बुक right equal to याव बनी ना so close bracket down that's it yam cham cham na example number p so this is domain and range to khangane na khale so domain hai tara gana kari function to define tongna bhona bada x की value right x की value adu buna domain range hai kana kari fx की value minimum and maximum adu puto pay wa nothing else. So question kare nahi na range. Here we have a question. So I say domain ko thu we have four options ki manungda oi akoina putu hai. So what else is the domain, right? So give it a try. Try and then try torogo yung ngombre. Hmm. Okay. Given function is kay no log. Hmm. This. Now first of all, okay, log की function जी हाँ ना कोई understand तो उसे log high जो function जी कोई ना खंग इसका खंगजा लुका. So this is not fx equal to log x. सिगे function जी कोई द सिगे function जी define तो गया है तारा कदी. What is the condition? Define only when x greater than 0 x positive whether the log se define taude. All right, adu oitaragadi yengse ko adu akoina puthok tu isi keno akoina puthok tu domain habdi. So domain habdi keno domain habdi we have to find the value of x ki value do putho habni, right? Kaya dan kya bukat pe age to now degi mo koi kai gange log x se define tauge hai taragadi se lai x se it should be greater than what? Greater than 0, right? Sige x se positive oil dong na hamen. Ado ita di yung sige function fx define to gay ta ga di log of something happening na manung dele ga po si kay ga ta huje to ti manung dele po it should be positive, right? Okay, and aduna kay ni so first of all we know is that x minus 4 plus 6 minus x it should be greater than 0 oil ni haiwa madi khange. Okay, second thing amaga mu yang si second thing akoina yengsi under root of something adu tadi c ani je positive oigi hai tara gadi yengsi ko under root kisna kona la se here c gi ani sina positive oigi hai tara gadi, right? Ani sina positive oigi hai tara gadi kai wo betai. So we have to test sida mu yeng betai c manung ga lai sisu positive or the x minus 4 ga x 6 minus x ka it should be positive kai you know because yengsi under root of 4 hai badi kya tha plus 2 minus 2 define, right? Okay, under root of minus 4 hai basi real number to late actually under root of minus 4 hai 2 aita hai. So this is a complex number but akoina high grade akoina khanari function se kai ba we are considering on real numbers. Question the palam da tara ga di akoina log du se function se real number gi real number ne law ne aduna sige ani se define to da ya de aduna under root ki manung da le yo po se kai oi da ya de. So under root ki manung da le yo po se ani ma kai oi da ya de it should be kai da ba greater than or equal to 0 oi da ba ya de, right? Yani ko now, right? Because under root of 0 to 0 tabani na ko 0 bukti define to aduna sige manung da le po se greater than or equal to 0 adu tati ani suba de kai la kan 6 minus x so greater than or equal to 0 ani is solve to and sidana kari have x this have after the you know x na kaya dagi 4 dagi greater ho geta x na kaya dagi less ho geta 6 ho geta. So if you combine this and is combine to tara kadi ko na kaya have 4 dagi na kaya ba 6 power na ko na have ya. All right, that's it. Okay, adu edi ako na putok to se kay no domain do na to and domain is what value of x. So what is the domain here? Aduna akoigi domain do 4 dagi hora kai book 6 pa yengo less than or equal to sign out in this square bracket and this is square bracket. So the correct option is option number A. Okay, wangang which is y natra okay next question naman mo yang si here is the next question apet paro aduga yang si sama arab question ni hoji ke duga apet manaba and you can apply the same logic here. Some number logic to apply to Sunday. yung sida hangise kaino domain hangmani domain hai ta di kaino kan putok tu je the value of x si putok hai bani okay so yung function ani yawe amana square root amana log yang right so tu na koi na hojik tawgi ba du gi matung ina chaman na khange square root of x define to ga the x to kai go ga ba it should be greater than or equal to 0 right kai no na koi na khanari function je real number ne aduna sigi manung da lai ba all this thing si kya ho to domain bu to kya di it should be greater than or equal to 0 no right second function da kai yawe log function yawe x square they always defined so no issue with that see me leave aside toro so log ki function ama yawe koi na log of x plus 4 yeah see log se define to ge hai taraga de koi na kai hai ba magi manung de le x plus 4 je kai da it should be positive greater than 0 greater than or equal to nothing it should be greater than 0 log ki taraga it should be greater than 0 now other than ani se solve to biro right so kisina case ama and another one is x plus 4 se greater than 0 right now sige di am lai re so sige kai la kan x should be greater than minus 4 hai bom lai sige ne ko na uji la to problem se right asi solve to si asi kai no this is quadratic equation right now solve to si to minus na loi puri so minus 1 so minus the puri se kai no so da koi gi minus x square hai ba si change so na so minus x square has plus x square plus 4x minus of 5 yung minus na kariguma puri tara ka di inequality sign change tawran so it will be less than I have after the hani is kya mate 2 is greater than 1 so me ko 2 se 1 de greater hoy but aina minus ani ma to puri sala di minus 2 minus 1 minus 2 ga minus 1 da kana ne chaw minus 1 ne na chaw so inequality to change to gi ne okay aduna next the minus na puri matam da so greater than or equal to 0 and modo less than or equal to 0 lakh right this part sina part ama sina part now size ke no puri na ga manga khaidok na ga na mari product will be 5 subtraction will be 4 so what are the roots root will be 4 and 5 right adu di ke lakh ne so x sorry 5 and 1 right c la that's all x plus 5 into x minus 1 less than or equal to 0 right next now see is mu solve tausi see is solve tausi ko kamaina ko na solve tau ba yaga da yin so sima mutalaga ya yes so how can we solve this now masing ani purina a b ko one number ani purina re c solve tau na bagini ko sidha na yang a b je less than 0 hai ba ta di ke no a into b se kai ho hai no negative number ho hai a b se na a into b se negative number ho hai ba ki ata kai no that means apna khangi se there are two possibilities hai ba ta di possibility ani thora kan hai ba hai ba ta ke no a greater a is not positive ho ba ma right a ka da ba let's see a positive b negative ho ba ma okay or natagana kari a do na negative ho ba b do na positive ho there are two cases ya dekho a positive ho ba ma b negative ho ba ma a negative ho ba ma or b do na positive ho ba adi positive ka negative ko purina ta negative ta idana aduna a into b is negative ho bani na yes ani thora ka ne a positive b negative a and then kada ba a negative or b positive now so so here we will have two case ani thora ka ne case 1 da kai hai ba that the x plus 5 sina a ne lo sina b ne no sina positive ho ba ma right and amana kari amazina negative ho ba ma okay right okay so let me rub it sina negative ho ba ma right case 1 ko sina sina topa case amani, right? Adu tadi case 1 je koina solve to matamda what you got. That means x is greater than minus 5 and x is less than 1. Right? See case yagadre x na katoba minus 5 tagi su chawba aduga 1 tagi su pikpa. So real number line da kuri yek taragadi minus 5 hai som da legani 1 hai bajana si legani, right? Adu itadi yung sida hai second x na minus 5 tagi di chawba aduga kai tagi di pikpa 1 tagi di pikpa. So ani se combine to taragadi koina kai hai be minus 5 tagi x to 1. So this is possible. See oi be ai ko, right? See, let's say this is case number 1, right? Now let me rub CRA. Now case number 2 mo kanas. Okay, case number 2 mo kanas. Let's see. Case number 2 dana kai lakani. Case number 2 dana yung sida in hai gitu. Case ani thora kani x plus 5 to na positive hoy bas dana mo kai lakani x plus 5 to na mo negative hoy raba and x minus 1 dana kai hoy raba positive hoy raba. Adi number ani puri na bada negative hoy have arthadi ama positive hoy gani ama negative hoy gani, right? So then case ani throw pe one x plus 5 to positive hoy hanba ma first case ta second case na x plus 5 to negative hoy ba du kama do na positive hoy. Now if you solve this x less than minus 5 and x less than 1. Okay, real line there minus 5 has a side legani 1 has a legani. So sai second x na 1 dai chaw hai ta di x is so na kan chatu ni chumi ko x na minus 5 dai chaw hai ta di krom jakani minus 5 tagi less hoy hai ta di so na kan chatu ni. So adu itar ka di sigi domain, right? So what is the case 1 gi matung ina case 2 gi matung ina kai hai case 2 gi matung ina ko da phangi se minus 5 to upia di hai ha ta di minus infinity to minus 5 ama. Okay, duga union kai lakani 1 dai horaga kai ko 1 dai horaga a chawro bu yar plus infinity. Okay, sini lai domain je now 1 and let's say this is 2. So let's say this is 2 aduga atopa amaga lai amana kari 3. Now 1 2 and 3 1 ne 2 ne and then 3 ne. Oh sorry, we'll just wait here. Okay, sida yengse ko ha patang sida yengse x na kai dai kalai dagi minus 5 tagi less hoy ba hai bini ko y x na mu kai kana dagi greater over 1 dai 4 ani mak se sida lai se kai do and ni ko or na ti adun union lak pe so yong x na minus 5 dai su p o e x na 1 dai su cha o e si oi thok pe ya bro ya de ko it is not possible, right? Let me repeat. Akoina case 2 se solve to matamda x less than minus 5 amana x greater than 1 hai ba the x to som na kan da chalani duga som na kan da du chatloi si ani mak condition ani mak satisfy to hai du ya bra ya de not possible aduna case number 2 je koi lower ro. So akoi da usi lai je kai no. So we have this 1 and 2 ani se combine to ro. Okay, ani se combine to ra kan da what we will have to da koi da kai phang ni ani se combine to si kom. Let me rub it down. See the koi arrow ko case 2 se it's not a feasible solution. Okay, 1 ga 2 ga combine to 2 ga kya ta gyan yes real line da ikara ye ke ko so that you understand it better. Yes, the high je kai no stai amazon high minus 5 te horaga minus 5 hai do sai le ni minus 5 te horaga 1 bo ki reason, right? 1 gi matung ni ko so asigi reason je koi highlight to rake ko. So let's say koi hai je minus 5 te horaga kai bo minus 1 according to this 1, right? Next yensi adagi amasina high sina kari amasina high sina sina kaya minus 4 da use order yare minus 4 hai se kai le ni minus 4 hai se side le ni ko. So that number 2 the high sina minus 4 da use order yare minus 4 is chow bai de karom chakani right side to chatu na tra, right? So asigi oina what is the domain hai taragadi ma isina minus 4 da gibu chawra di minus 4 da gibu chawra di yare hai bane, right? So adu tadi my domain je ko matam minus 4 dagi sidagi bu horadi sum chakrasu yare haibne. Okay, adu ani ki common reason je karam boy ne adu. Yeah, what is the common reason? Amana hai minus 5 te horaga 1 bu chalo hai. Amana hai minus 4 dagi horaga 1 bu chalo hai. So if you combine these two reasons, any reasons je combine tokta rati. So combining 1 and 2, so what is the reason? Minus 4 is the less than, right? Equal to sign out take off. And then kaida 1. So what is the domain? Domain do kaida correct answer do. Kaya minus 4 de 1. So this is the correct answer. Let's see the next question. Sini chap mana bang asai question do ni exponential domain butu ay bani sisu. Find the domain. Aduduga kay butu ay find the domain and then akoy the under root jaure. So see the hint pyramid so that you will do. I hope you will solve this question. The high fx exponential have the e okay, see define the guy what is the condition? Okay, under root later agadi. So to find domain x की value वो तो है बनी तो ना अपन है तो under root की मनुंग दले ये पहुंचे क्या होगा तो ऊपर it should be greater than or equal to 0. See solve तो now correct equation ni क्या ना पूरी जैसे -1 so that it will turn into positive. So this will become 2x square then minus 5x then plus 3 less than or equal to 0, right? See solve the one. If you see solve the one, then you will get the value. Okay, you try to solve it and you will get your value. And the correct answer should be option number B. Asidi as a exercise right now. Okay, one more you have to know. So the shortcut x minus a x minus b is less than or equal to 0 x की वैल्यू से काय दिन काय बुचकन तो assume तो a is ना b दे less हो ना assume तो okay तो x से काय दिन काय बुचकन है ना a दे होगा b को. So suppose कोई है ना x minus 2 x minus 3 less than or equal to 0 अदुना सी की डोमेन को तो आई x की वैल्यू को तो आई तादी यम 2 का 3 का 3 का कराना p 2 ना p काय दिन काय बुचकन अदुना 3, right? तो समाई ताने. Okay, one more. Suppose if I say x plus 2 x minus 3 less than or equal to 0, right? Sida yung kaya yung ba sida kitang slightly different or kanya kung yung sida x c0 c hana 0 ta halmo na x plus 2 0 ta hai ba di x kya hano x minus 2 x plus 3 0 ta ba hai ba di kaya x equal to 3 hai ba no x ki value is minus 2 ga c 3 ga jine ba la ka do aduna api pakara mano minus 2, so minus 2. Aduga by chow is not 3 go. Do not see the values domain is mine lakane. So keep that in mind and then see the method is in there. See the solve toro and you will get B as the answer. Next question. So the log yaure. Here we have a log. Now, so how to solve log yaure under root yaure. First of all, under root की नोंग ले positive कई वैबम तो है कोई ना as usual positive वैबम तो है positive वैब की मथक्ता अमुक कई वैगदा हुआ it should be अमुक log वैरा बनी ना सी की नोंग ले positive कई वैगदा हुआ positive, right? अदुदी so what we will get from here it is here solution, right? सी कमाई ना कोई ना सी कमाई को थोकनी गेम सी का right here fx से कहीं ना फिर हमें log of 10, right? Now first of all अपन खंगदाबुसे कई है बा under root हाइता रखते हैं ना under root of x हाइता रखते हैं first of all x should be greater than or equal to 0 है बना तो right? That means सिगी मनुंग दले रसी पुल से कई दो बता बा that is log of 10 5x minus x squared by 4 it should be greater than or equal to 0 होगा तब नहीं है बने Is that okay? Under root of x define to hai taragati x to greater than or equal to 0. Now, yung log se, I can log of a is greater than b hai taragati. We can say a is greater than e to the power b. Okay, right? Akoina khanga to pati e to the power b. Kay kung kem piram ta, but sila kay kung 10 piram taragati here. Sila akoina piram se kay no 10 ni ko. 10 oi pani na si e la oi. Kem piram ta ti la kani ko moi kano se ko base. But sila dia ko question kay piram 10 piram bani na. So kay ha kani 10 to the power b la kani. Okay, that is one thought. Si khanga daw. Right. Kem na te ko log of 10 100 hai si ka tai 2 tai ko. Hai ba ta this hai je kem na te si ke 10 na base 10 da 2 ka sal 100 tai hai bani. Is that okay? See one. No, yes. C is greater than 0 have after the 5x minus x square by 4 greater than or equal to base can of 10. 10 to the power 0 have 10 to the power 0 the greater or have. Now, anything to the power 0 is 1 type. A not equal to 0. 10 is not 0. So this will be 1. That means 5x minus x square is greater than 4 C 4 से from the multiply tawro matumdo, right? Now further solve tawro. Let's say C and is from the thang adi. C negative से positive वाला नहीं x square. C positive से negative वाला नहीं plus 4, right? So what we got from here? यहाँ C less than high after this minus कोई समाई इबे को ना. C on top ना रखा अंदर. समाई तुम इधर से कैसे कायदे ना. High after the इन हाई नहीं सी. A C hai ba ta je C sma hai ba ma nei chama nei na C ni je on thong na bai wa ne, right? Adu the on thong na ran na inequality is on thong na ran. That's all, okay? Multiply to bai wa ne ke ga. Right. Now solve the this is a quadratic equation. Put in product 4 addition na 5. So what are the roots? Roots are 4 and 1. So this will be x minus. Is that okay? Now, yung ano is the kanana minimum 1, maximum na 4, right? So it are the x की value क्या दें क्या बोल सकते हैं 1 दे होगा 4 हो. And what is the correct answer then? This is the correct answer. C how is it, ladies? All right, lairam gani na khali. I hope so. Next, right? Yeah. Okay, oh, now hojina mo kay la next question dala is na range ki question. Now range ay ta di kay ne ko na sa do range na putok to sina minimum value of fx ka kaiga maximum value of fx ka kuna putok ta, right? So let's try to solve it here. Okay, first of all, x x is a real number. X is also real number. X square se kai hoega ni. So this is positive. C kai hoega ni positive. Positive plus positive से positive था. अदुना C की fx की value से kai hoega ni हम दिखाएंगे. Positive होएगा ni हम दिखाएंगे. That means fx की value से कोई negative होए बे आपना. या देखो. So fx से first of all कोई दिखाएंगे it is going to be a positive. So fx cannot be negative. The positive way by say and then 0 if the abra yeah if x is 0 x 0 already fx okay 0. So here aduna magi minimum value se kya ano. So what is the minimum value of fx? Now the minimum value of fx se kya hoega 0 again. And then how about the maximum value? Again yang se ko kanom hai kanom yang x square hai basiga x square plus 1 hai basiga kanana chawgani always x square plus 1 chawgani because so amma jo kya eto slot no 1 eto slot aduna less than 1 can I say hai ba atadi nangi fx ki value kya dagi less hogani 1 dagi less hogani. So that means nangi maximum value do nangi fx ki maximum value do the fx to kya dagi always less than the maximum value of fx, or you can say magi maximum the 1 di or the 1 dagi always less hogani happen. So in a way we can say the maximum value of fx is 1. Now what is the range the fx to kya dagi hobu hai 0 dagi hobu hai adu kya dagi di less hogadaba 1 dagi di less hogadaba. So aduna akoina khangisi. So sina haibadi fx to 0 dagi di greater hoigani or greater or 0 hoirabu yai ko. Okay, 0 hoirabu yai because x 0 hoitaragadi fx is 0, right? Now f aduga kadaba kya dagi less hogadaba 1 dagi less hogadaba. So range side tadi magi function gi fx ki value sini. So what is the answer? So 0 dagi horaga kai bu 1 bu. Or just aina soibam lere sida koina kaino yaude equality sign yaude. Okay, so aduna akoi gi value se kya da ren ka bu chakani 0 de horaga 1. So the correct answer is option number C. Okay, next question. Right. Sigi range putuwa. Right. I can try to get. Can you solve this? Right. Now, akoina always khangada na range puthokpa matamda akoina kaidi yang kadan ki hai kanda domain gi sida yamna depend toy range ki value se kana depend toy domain da akoina depend toy. Now akoi gi si manung da lairiba sigi function ni manung da lairiba function je akoina kai multiply tokta we will get a what quadratic, right? So let's see yang si ko akoina fx to akoina y ne hai tara kadi pulap se kamaina ibe y is equal to under root of sinegulaise. तो y स्क्वायर से क्या कमाना है राइट. ओके सीधा दिया कोई ना ये से x तो क्या होगा x तो अंदर फंक्शन डिफाइन तो गया था दिन ऐसा कोई ना है तो करी सी मनुंग ले पोस से क्या होगा तो भाई इट भी पॉजिटिव होगा तो उन्हें ना हाई बनेगा राइट. अदु माइनस होला असु यार हो सो अदु माइनस ओके ये मुझे तो ओके तो माइनस होला से असु माइनस होता है सुको. So let's see y. Okay, right. See, fx to define the here for fx to be defined to what other condition? According to condition, okay, no condition is that see manung x minus 1 and 3 minus x it should be greater than or equal to 0, right? So Miko, it should be 0. So minus my whole yadi. But if I do like this, so sikitang di lender hoy. Yeah, case 1. Siya sina method 1. Ay hapetang hint pirang ay method 2 ay natake ko. Method 2 yung usdagi mo solve to. Yung puri daraga ab do greater than 0 hadi ab do kay hay no ab do positive hoy haben. Ab na positive hoy ba there are two case. A positive hoy ba and b zo kay hoy ba positive hoy ba ma. Atopa case amana na kari A negative, B su negative, right? Other case was the panselo, right? So in our case, A has in a kind of x minus 1 positive, and then 3 minus x sima. And that's then x minus 1 negative, 3 minus x negative. Tauraga whole law, you will get something, right? And then x ki value of fangani, right? Right. Adu x ki value degi koi na kai puthok tu ba to find the value of y, right? Sina kitang amuk sangani. So I know the method 2 take arrivang. Okay. So this also works, right? Do sina kitang lengthy way habagi ina what tabagi one. Let's see the second method. Sina method 1. So let's see the second method. Here. So if you take the square, C have now x minus 1 3 minus x, right? So y square. If you multiply, so we will get the quadratic equation, and that quadratic equation will be minus x square, right? And then we will get 3x summa x summa. So this will be 4x and then minus of 3. C phangani ko. Now, akoi ki si ki x hai ba pot se akoi na kai wai gani hai. Akoi na low ri function se kai de ne low ne ba. Real number to real number. That means nangi x to kai de la kani real number. Hai ba the x must be a real number, right? The right? So what we are getting from here, right? We will get x square minus 4x plus 3, and then minus of y square is equal to 0. Right? So we are getting this, and this is what? This is quadratic. See, this is quadratic in. Did I any problem here? So this way they go 3x minus x square minus 3 plus x. Yeah, x square minus x square plus 4x minus 3. Transfer to x square minus 4x plus 3. Oh, this is plus y, right? Okay. Right. Now let's see. Okay. Now see the quadratic. This is quadratic in x, right? Now, quadratic equation number we solve to a square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. See this x value x की root क्या लाकनी root any लाकनी x1 है x2 है let's say. Now see is real हो गया है the roots are real only क्रम कांदा root तो real हो गया है the क्रम कांदा real हो गया है when the discriminant have the b square minus 4ac greater than or equal to 0 oirakandane. So here aduga chamana among this so apply togane x to kai oigadabono according to our function x to must be real number. X real number oige hai taragadi x to real oige hai taragadi. What is the condition? Discriminant to kai oigadaba greater than or equal to 0. This implies what is b? What are a, b, and c here? So this is the 1. This is your a, and this minus 4 is your b, and this whole thing is your c. Another discriminant ki formula palo. What is b square have the minus 4 square minus 4a is what? 4ac. It should be greater than or equal to 0. Now solve this. Because y ki value right? Let's 16 minus 12 minus 4y square. 4y square, right? However, the 1 is greater than or equal to y square, right? So see how y square is less than or equal to 1. Y square is less than or equal to 1. Again we will say from the law y square is less than 1. The y square minus 1 is greater than or equal to 0. This implies a square minus b square from the later, right? Greater than or equal to 0. Here, see the y की value क्या? Minus 1. See the y की value क्या? 1. The kanana p minus 1. The y की value क्या आदि चक्कनी minus 1 दगी होगा 1 the चक्कनी. That means नंगी range की value y है दी कहीं actually y है तो वही नज़ार fx to ने है, right? अदुना सी कोई उसे कहीं पुते range पुते कहीं क्या पुते चक्कनी minus 1 दे होगा 1 भाव, right? Okay. Minus 1 to 1. Okay. So this is a e will so even so this will be a what? Right, close bracket. So the correct answer is minus um, minus 1 to 1, or okay, just let me check it again. Okay, I check it. Let me check it again. Okay, this is not yeah, see not take on. Okay, let me check it again. Okay, this is yeah, c minus c open bracket. I thought the fx to minus 1 1 bu hai bam later. But again amu yeng fx ki value do minus 1 na ka bu 1 bu chat ka tong na, but fx should be what? Always kai wai gani hai. Fx to yeng ko na sa hai to fx hai si kai no under root of this, right? Those c side se mutala I pajana hai rahiga. So let me rub this side. Yes. So far we put fx key values warm put matunda we are getting -1 to 1 so here akoina phangise hoji kari -1 dagina 1 bau to chatkane habne but nang fx to kai hai fx to it is under root of something, right? Under root of something. See function is defined to be under root of something manung de level positive. No positive ki square root it should be always positive so fx should be positive. -1 the positive right? -1 is not positive. It's the high is na the high is na function ki value do -1 de horaga kai bu chalo hai 1 bu hai si ki marak si chalo hai but function do it should be always positive. Positive ho gaya tadi kai degi chatkani 0 degi horaga chatkani kai de ka bu chalan 0 degi horaga 1 bu chalan adu duna nang fx ki value do 0 ebdi abra yai ki su kai de ko under root 0 eb ki su kai duna fx ki value do c ro reduce to kai wani 0 degi horaga fx adu kai bauba 1 bauba chakpa aduna nangi answer do 0 to 1 se tani. Okay, so don't make the mistake like I do. Okay, so the question pa hudra gadi sisu landu ni. So questions are not that simple. Questions are simple question nate. It's a little bit logical. Logical yam na yaw adu dana phajana understand tawta tarakadi then you will have a problem. No problem. So then thora kane. Okay, so not last question. Let's see one more question. So na kai buto hai find the domain of the function. Yengas domain akoina function jigi domain ade kai no x ki value buto hai bani, right? Yes. As we know, log defined to gaya tar ka di ko na side hai le log x defined to gaya tar di x should be greater than 0 hai. So adu na koina kai hani x minus x should be greater than 0. I see manung de lai pull up se it should be greater than 0. Now c hai ji kai no c the greatest integer function hai bani. Okay, greatest integer function dikange. Now yensi x minus this side kai wani. Suppose x to nang let's say 1.2 nen lo 1.2 minus 1.2 how about the 1.2 minus c kya tha ne greatest integer function of 1.2 how about the 1.2 has somewhere sign 1.2 the gi pick tha ahan ba net kan integer id 1 so this will be 0 2 how about the see x minus x part of phangdu se kaino this is nothing but fractional part of x. So here aduna ko is hiding is kind of hiding is a fractional part of x to 0 dagi greater koi wai bane to fractional part of x no greater than 0 oi bhai karam kand oi gani sima kham karam kand 0 oi for any real number oi gadra oi gani ka but kai gumba x to na so this happens for any x say any real number but adu yada mata ang like x to na suppose integer or 2 or ne that x minus modulus x kala 2 minus 2 have this kala 0 to 0 eta dilang se log to define ta gidra log of 0 see no not defined. Okay, let me write it down and hiding is seeing. Okay, kem na te koi lai ba concept yam do sin na ban so question je yam na koi na kan ni ko amuk explanation amuk halak ke so that you understand. question a little bit of not of typical type question, right? Kita ngatum layer adum hangani kano dati koi engineering dati. Let's say na have the x to na kay 2 integer hoita raga di nang x minus this have se kya hai 0 aduna se log se lava so log so cd ke not defined, right? Not defined. How about minus 2 also? Minus 2 does saman hai x minus c put ho gaya kana minus 2 minus 2, so this will be minus 2 plus 2 0 aduna sta kay nang log san taraga this is log laura kanda again this is not defined aiba aduna karam bada define tau the x nan. So if x ina x kay gumba x is integer hoita raga di sigi function je define tau fx not defined, fx not defined atopo point di abra yai kaisu kai di aduna nang x to kay oi bi yad x to it can be any real number minus kari z I budi set of integer oi di are have in real number ma to oi but not of integer oi budi yad have. So this is one type. So what is the correct answer? Correct answer is option number B. Next one, I just manada about different question me amjing duni ko local is so that no hyper engineering the equation hangi and the other equation hangi do adu hyper tang ko na no the khang na bi one the range of the function bu to hai si atopa method ma ko na hang calculus the maximum minima the ko ira line hot pe si equation je but for the time being I know maximum minima do tam ri na khang ri na law ra matung da ai hola ke yang si kamai hot ka de now. So range put hai tadi fx की value put हुआ है. Okay, make a here आपको इधर fx make a perfect square, right? See perfect square था जैसे a square minus 2y is ab, right? So this is your a and this is your b. तो b square हम हाफ चला जी b square हम हाफ पति b square हम खाई दो है. So अतो दुना if you combine all this thing, तो okay, x minus 3 whole square, aduga c and Iijee if you calculate, so this will be 3, this will be 2. Now, fx is something square minus 2. C the again, x minus 3 whole square, it is always going to be greater than or equal to 0. Now, aduduna c minimum value put ho minimum value of fx put ho so f c की minimum तो अधिक तादी कई पुतो करनी minimum value पुतो करनी c की minimum value and this minimum value x minus 3 की minimum value of x minus 3 square है बड़ी क्या होगी नहीं 0 हो रहा है की minimum value है x minus 3 क्या होगी नहीं 0 होगी minus 2 दी तुम थम्बी ले. So that means minimum value of fx to क्या था minus 2. Okay, now we will find maximum value of fx की maximum value क्या होगा याद रखिए है. So see अदुना इसना मुझे से maximum value पुट हुआ है बनी अदुना c की maximum value of x minus 3 square is x minus 3 whole square चाव का infinity right? तो माती चावनी चाव है x की value नंग सुम हैंगलिंग माई की x minus 3 square value सुम चावला करनी तो मागी देखो definite अमल लेगा so it goes into infinity. So infinity minus 2 दे तुम कहीं कमाना infinity कमाना so maximum value दिखाए सकते हैं it can goes up to infinity, right? So अदुना minimum value करें minus 2 maximum value करें infinity. So what is the range है तारे का दिखाई दे सकनी minus 2 देगी ना क्या पाऊँगा up to infinity it will be open bracket. So the correct answer is option number B. So that's all about domain and the range. If you don't understand, please watch the video again and again. Video je hanjan yengo. Aduga singa taba mayam sulari that we will discuss when we have done with trigonometric function. Trigonometric function mayam singdo magi domain range ta amatungda. Aduga sigi second part na adu kandu damu nainasi. Okay. Uh, Thank you for today for listening to my video. Uh, Thank you once again. Have a nice day.